Well, ain't this what you waited on? Ain't this what they hated on? They sayin' I'm contradicting, this what they debating on. My fans say that I'm taking long, I tell them that I'm on the way. Every rapper sleeping on me, will not see another day. I'm in here, real nigga up in this bitch. Been that way since 96, ain't shit changed, ain't shit switched. Got the game on lock with no keys, stay low key like the OGs. Spit crack, got bars, might as well go OT. Can't that nigga control me. Quit with all of that competition, I'm writing raps with no composition. That mean in the head, just stop and listen. 187, I murder this. I got my own style, you ain't heard of this. Ink Town to the death of me, how to make it out, here's the recipe. Kill the game, kill the flows, kill the streets and I kill the shows. Alicia Keys, I'm unthinkable, I'm at the top, I'm unreachable. I'm too high, I can't see the flow. Real nigga to the day I go, this my time, this my shot. My girls on point, better pick your role.
Real nigga since I came in, told y'all ain't shit changing. Work, I put my days in, shoot to the top and my aim in. So precise, so accurate, cargoes, no slacking shit. Like Pac with this rapping shit, I bomb first, I rack shit. Squeezing lead rappers' bodies, I got my legion beside me. I shit and piss on you potties, two bitches topping me sloppy. Now she calling me Poppy, like pop me daddy, I want it now. Every time I put it down, never fuck around. Till I die, say what? Money on my radar, I be on the bitches, you be scared to say hi. Hustle, yes I hustle, I don't do it for no reason. I'm trying to travel the regions, that's for the stars I be reaching up.